gate's locked. Can you see a key anywhere?
Home to Mom and Dad.
Well, sure. But not before we've thanked them. I think I see the gate back to the lagoon.
Hey, Clement. I can hear someone coming. Huh. You think they could help us with the gate? Yes. Kid.
Oh, that's my sandwich! Not that! That's not for you! Come on! Someone help! They're eating all of my picnic! Almost into my cheese platter. Here, take this. Whew.
Not bad, kid. You can do Donald's job. You know, if college doesn't work out.
Hey, I'm not stupid. You were calling me stupid, right? That was nice of him. Hey, should kids really be wandering around out here?
Is that a fact I see below me? It is.
Look at that. She's headed right for the park.
Hello? Anybody home? Ingen, Hoskins. You know why I'm here? I've been working for 2 years on an application for these raptors.
Let me be as clear as I can. No velociraptors are going to be set loose on this island.
Okay, boss. What's your next move?
We don't need anyone else.
We have eyes on the target south of the aviary. Proceed and engage.
Look alive, boys!
10 o'clock by the birdcage!
What's happening? What?
Get ready to run. You ready?
We have to get to the Innovation Center. It'll be safe there.
How do we get past all the Pteranodons? Endomorphodons?
No! Get off! Shoot! Go away! Unless you got $10, you can swim!
Come on, you gotta help him.
Let's check in here. Watch out! Keep back from the water.
Well, how do we get past?
I don't think we can.
Come on, over this way.
I hope Zach and Cray are at the Innovation Center.
I don't think those dinos are gonna let us just walk by them.
That building has a hologram projector on the roof. We can use it.
I'll find a way up for you.
Thanks.
All right. Let's see what displays you've got programmed into you.
Oh, you're good with those, Gray.
Hey, good job, kiddo.
Stay there.
The arcade. Looks like it's locked down.
Interviews just have to be safe. But be careful.
Flashes! Flashes startle dinosaurs!
Hey, the key! Honestly, this isn't just so I can play games. Pump the fuse box.
Yeah, I know.
Did not expect that to happen.
Did you hear that explosion? Turn it towards the fire.
That's her!
Larry, I'm on my way back to you.
Bad idea. This guy Hoskins is in charge. He's got some insane plan to use raptors.
We're putting a new team on the ground.
They've never been out of containment. It's crazy.
This isn't your territory yet. Don't forget, you work for me.
If we do it my way. Easy. Easy. They found something. I know why they wouldn't tell us what it's made of.
Why?
That thing's part raptor.
Watch your six. The Raptors have a new alpha.
Hey! Is someone there? Anyone? Get me down from here!
All right, I'm coming. Keep it down.
Oh, thanks.
This is just...
You ain't getting a bite out of me! Stupid lizard!
I don't know how much longer I could have lasted.
See ya. There's another one.
Charlie! No! Get off! Get off of me!
Are you alright?
Sure. Guys, little help? Thanks. I'll scout for other survivors.
I hope whatever did this ate something useful.
That was lucky.
It's Delta.
You think you can sneak past?
Sorry about this, Delta. What have we here?
Where's the Indominus?
No, you don't. I've got 65 million years of smarts over you. Whoa! What the? It's you! Come on, give it all you got! I'm one tough cookies.
We can't help him with Blue in the way.
Barry, it needs jump-starting. Shoot it with your stun rifle.
Sorry, Blue.
You have any idea? That could be useful. Yes, this could work. You give me a boost.
Let me add some spice to that.
I want to go home now.
Oh, sweetheart, you will, okay? I promise. Tomorrow you will be home and your mother will never let me see you again.
Ah! Go! Go!
They're getting closer!
Knock them out, Zach! Knock them out!
You've got a rifle too, Gray!
We got one!
Which means there's still another! Whoa!
Ow! Zach!
Hold on!
More velociraptors!
Did you get it?
I don't think. Ah!
It's on the door!
Take it, Zach! It's getting in! Take it! Whoa!
The rifles!
Barry, it's Delta! I know! I can see! Hold it steady! Yeah, I got him! Yes!
Did you just see that?
Can't wait to tell Mom!
No! You cannot tell your mother about that ever!
We have to get indoors! Follow me!
Everything must be accounted for. I want all backup generators online. Where have you been?
Change of plans. Mission took a jog to the left. I'm taking everything off-site.